Good evening, guys. What is up? My name is Joseph. I run the Sutansuzoku channel, and I am dead tired right now, but I'm filming this for you guys. The reveal of my dream wheels for the Honda Civic. After waiting for overseas shipping, here it is. Today we'll be unboxing the Desmond Regamaster Evo 2s. These are not the OG ones. Those are not being made anymore. But these are the Evo 2s. So my spec is, oh, too much sauce. Oops. I'm giving away the sauce. I got my tires over here though. Michelin Pilot Sport. So I'm gonna go ahead and unbox these and see what they look like. These are my dream wheels. I am so excited. They're still sealed. I waited for these for 3 years. I saw it, fell in love with it. It's finally here. Cannot read. Still cannot read. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. That looks so hot. Now these wheels are wide. These are 9.5 inches wide. And what I saw in the website is that it has a knurled, this is a very rough surface, it's a knurled bead seat so that the tire won't slip when you're accelerating or spinning like that. But man, look at this. This wheel is light. It's like, I don't know, how many pounds is this? It doesn't say. I think the website says like 11 pounds? I don't know, but this is legit. Like, this is real. I'm scared I might drop this. Oh my gosh. Here. Oh, the stickers. Oh ho ho. Stickers. This is what's gonna make it complete the look. Itself. Oh, look at that! It looks so hot. Red, black, and white. My favorite color combination. Look. This is how you lay out the stickers, and it's just gonna look so good after that. Oh man. So I also bought my lug nuts from them. They are the Project Kicks racing gear. R26s, short neochrome, neochrome locking lug set. So it looks like that, stubby. Made in Japan. So I don't know if you could tell, but the offset, the faces are a little different. I can't really tell on camera, but you can see how much lip there is here compared to the bigger lip over here. I'm gonna put some Michelins on them. They deserve only the best tires, and the Civic is gonna look hot. So I've been saving up for these. Sorry, I'm just drooling over it right now. I should probably put the stickers on them while we're here, so let's do that. So I started unboxing these wheels at 11:30, and I just wanted to take a bunch of photos, but what took me forever was putting on these freaking stickers, trying to make it, like, I'm really OCD about this stuff, so I had to make sure it was like super straight and on point. Like the Desmond had to be in the center of the spoke. You know, I just really wanted to make sure it fit properly. Oh man, these are so hot. And I kind of had a bit too much fun taking pictures with these wheels, so, but like I said, these are my dream wheels. So freaking beautiful. Alright, so right now it's time to just pack them up, put them all in the boxes. Stomach's a little big. Put them all in the boxes and load them into the car, because tomorrow I'm going to take them to America's Tire. Homie Nathan's going to hook it up and mount on some tires for us. Got our Pilot Sport All Season 4s. Should last a while. Stretch Michelins. I ain't heard of that before. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. I think I'm going to continue this video tomorrow when they get picked up, so yeah, but thanks for watching this unboxing, and I'll update another video when we get the tires mounted and we're going to see how they look. So it is 1:36 in the morning. I'm dead, but I'm awake because I'm excited, because that was the first time I saw my wheels, so yeah. Let's go! Peace.